Hello guys, it's Alpha Gaming here, and today we're gonna build a working furnace. So I have one in the back here. I'll just show you how it works. So definitely the coals here, one. So let's put one coal in there. A chicken here. Is it? No, it's not correct. So actually, I am wrong, sorry. So the coal here and the chicken raw things here. So there you go. Oh, it worked there. Then it goes into there. So ready guys, let's do it. So in here, let's put, oh crap. Oh no, what? Oh, there you go. It's a little laggy there. So in here we have this. So put a chest. Right below the furnace and a hopper in there. So you will be getting your foods in there, in the circle there. And then you want to put hopper in there and to the side, and it's night, but don't worry. In there, oh, then a chest, no, a chest and a chest above, but let me get some set. There, a chest in there. So there you go. Another chest. And guys, I'm using mobizen. So yeah, there. So like put a in there. Hey potato, you're not in there. And oh no. A little laggy guys, sorry for that. Put that in there. Then boom, it's working and it's gonna pop off there. So basically there you go, and there. So thank you guys, and let me just put on the mobizen, then stop.